Paneer is relished by everyone at my home. I'm sure you all love it too. Today I have for you a spicy and tantalizing paneer recipe, that is achari paneer. I'm turning on the flame and letting the pan heat. I'm taking here half teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, half teaspoon fennel seeds or sauf, 1.5 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard seeds, that is pili sarson, and 6 to 8 fenugreek seeds. Do not put more than this or else your gravy will taste bitter. Let's roast them until they begin to smell toasty and fragrant. We'll turn off the flame. The spices are roasted, and while the pan is still hot, let's add in 6 to 7 dry red chilies and roast them. This is done. Let's move on to grind our spices to make the achari masala. As you can see, it is still coarse. While this texture is perfect for making pickles, for our achari gravy, we will be making it finer. So, let's grind it once more. Here's our achari masala, done and ready, finely grounded for the gravy. Now I am taking 200 grams of paneer cut into cubes. I am sprinkling half teaspoon of red chili powder and salt. Let's coat this well. Next, moving on to shallow fry the paneer. I have put the pan to heat. I am taking here 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Its pungency lends the typical achari or the pickle flavor to this recipe. The oil has heated well and now I am adding in the paneer. Let it get shallow fried from all the sides. Let's move on to make the gravy now. I have kept the kadhai to heat on medium flame. 6 tablespoons of mustard oil, the oil has heated, so we'll start adding the spices. Half teaspoon asafoetida or hing, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 inch ginger grated, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Let them fry for a few seconds. I don't feel the need of adding onions or garlic in this recipe. If you want to, you can add here. Next goes in 1 cup tomato puree. Mix this well with the spices. Time to add the achari masala we prepared. I am letting everything cook nicely on low flame until the oil separates. Next goes in 1 chopped capsicum and saute it slightly. 2 teaspoon dry mango powder. Adding this helps to balance the bitter notes acquired from the fennel and the fenugreek seeds. Also gives a nice sour punch to our gravy. Half cup buttermilk. Stir this until it blends with the spices nicely. If you find your gravy on the thicker side, just add in some water to balance the consistency. Salt as per taste. Time to drop in the shallow fried paneer. Gently give this a mix. I'm now covering the kadhai and letting this cook for a couple of minutes. Time is up. We'll give this a check. Can you see this wonderful color? At last goes in 1 teaspoon of dried and roasted fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Crush them slightly before adding in to enhance its flavor and the aroma. Beautiful! Let's serve it. So, here we have our zesty and peppery achari paneer. Try this out with naan or roti and trust me, you will lose track of the number of rotis you will have. Eat well, live well and stay blessed.